key challenge for graduates who are in that post-offer pre-start is that real connection to the business. So in the interest of retaining offers made to graduates is this understanding the people, understanding the culture, and even understanding the processes and platforms within a business. So to increase engagement and connection, that period of post-offer pre-start is critical. A key challenge with graduates at that post-offer pre-start period is not feeling productive enough for day one. So what can we do to equip them with skills to develop their toolkit to really have success and feel productive beyond commencement in their role? So some key things around that are things like employability, soft skills, but also some engagement from the business to really make them feel productive, aware of what they're entering into, and really help with that transition to corporate life. So some real key challenges for graduate employers is how do we make our graduates feel engaged to make the offers stick, in other words to reduce reneges on offers and not have to re-recruit, but also to prepare the graduates who are commencing and onboarding to help them feel productive and prepared for that transition to the workplace. So an innovative approach that Readygrad have taken is really to look at what skills can we develop these graduates with, how can we make offers stick, in other words, reduce the reneges made already, but really to help equip them and make them feel comfortable, engaged and connected with the business by the time they onboard.